a very bespoke looking Defender D240 SE in the beautiful Indus Silver with only 4,000 miles on the car. 2020 registration with 240 brake horsepower. This is a very special car because it has third row seating. It's a 7-seater version, Defender 110. It's then got other little extras on it as well, which I'll show you in a few seconds as I go around. They're so hard to get hold of. It's physical, it's here, in a fabulous condition, inside and out. And it looks quite special in every single way because it's got a few little different features. The obvious one that you can see there, it's got that beautiful contrasting black bonnet there, surrounded by that Indus Silver. You've got the decals on the top. You've then got the black badge styling on it as well, so that's all the letterings, the front grille. Being the SE, you have the glass piece in there, which is LED style daytime running lights, full LED headlights, front rear parking sensors, and full 360 view camera system. So it's a camera in the front, cameras in the side, and a camera in the back. You've also got see-through ground clearance camera system as well, which I'll show you as I get in the car later. On this one, you've got the upgraded satin grey 5-spoke alloy wheels in 20-inch, which again just look right, but they're still very comfortable. It fills the arches. You've got front rear mud flaps, black mirror cap covers, and again the contrasting black roof. Sun protection glass, black window surrounds, and then this one has a cold weather package as well, which is the heated steering wheel. Fully tilting and sliding panoramic roof on this one. And as I get in quickly, just to show you, you've got this lovely grab handles, all the Defender imprinted into the dashboard. There's USBs everywhere. There's 12-volt sockets, USCs. It's just such a great practical car, automatic gearbox with your different options where you can change it manually on here on the shifter. 2 keys, you've got heated seats, dual zone climate control, and then this is your camera system here. So your 360 camera system, whichever angle you want to go at, and then you have the off-road camera system. So when I'm driving, and I'll show you as I get on the other side now how that works, it shows you underneath the car, which is pretty clever. Manual, glove box, Meridian sound system, electric seats with memory seats, both driver and passenger. Centre armrest which lifts up and has more cubbyhole space in there. In the back here, same again, you got rear climate control, which is all digital, more USBs, fully fitted mats, ISOFIX attachments, and if I show you quickly here, you do this, and then, or you even better, do that, and you do that, and it slides the full seat forward, allowing passengers to get into the third row seating. So the 7-seat is nice. If you're not going to use it, you can fold it away, no problem. This middle row seats, they do roll forwards and backwards, so you can create more leg space. You've got the lovely squared LED lighting system on the back, which for me, I've spoken about this over and over again. The way they're built into the rear quarter and their cluster on the back just looks really nice, looks slick and modern. The car's absolutely damage free, there's no dents or scratches, all the wheels are in great condition. If you haven't watched one of our previous videos, on the new edition Defenders, you don't need to fight with the rear tailgate. There's a soft pad there, you touch it and it opens up pretty much. There's nothing to it at all. You've then got this lovely hard back, so it's easy to maintain. If you're not going to use the third row seating, pull this and it just falls flat, literally. Easy as that. And that's massive. You've also got heating controls in the back just there, more storage compartments everywhere, and 12-volt sockets. You've then got the glass pieces in the corner for the third row seating, for their own little lights to get in, and they've got their own cup holders as well. To lift the seats back up again, you can use them individually. It's as easy as that, so you can have one person sat there and use that as just luggage space. To close the boot door lid again, it's just literally, it's as easy as just flicking it. The fifth wheel is the 20-inch wheel as well. This is a stunning example. Like I said, it's a D240 and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Electric windows and mirrors, the heated steering wheel, cruise control, the new style steering wheel which is all leather wrapped and feels nice and sporty. Fully digital live cockpit there with the navigation, and you can see all sorts of other information on there which is useful. Now you're going to have to walk with me on this one, Tom. I just want to quickly show you this because it is quite clever. You've got your normal camera system, which is the 360, dead easy. You can see what's in front of you, behind you, etc. But if I go on the off-road option and I put it in drive, follow me for a little bit, Tom, you're going to see this. So when I'm driving, press that. So as I get into the carpet, in a minute, there. So now I can see exactly what's below me. So if you are going to take this car off-road and there's rocks and there's bits and bobs on the floor, you don't want anything to go through the bottom of the car, you can see exactly what is below the car. So as I'm driving here now, I'm going onto the road, That's pretty neat, isn't it? There's not many cars where you can see what's underneath the car. But this is a 4x4, it's what you expect, that's what you want it to do. You're in a good position, visibility is absolutely brilliant, and that's what I like about these cars. The engine, it's nice and smooth, it does very well. They just tick every single box. In the Indus Silver, with all the black trimmings, that bonnet, that bespoke contrasting black bonnet, LED lighting system, 4,000 miles, all the cameras on it, and it's a 110 with 7 seats. Cracking car. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.